Hello and welcome to today's crochet tutorial where I'll be showing you how to make this cute little embroidery mushroom that you can use for sewing onto cardigans, blankets, cushions, and it's just so cute. So let's get started, shall we? You're going to want a hook. I'm going to be using a 4.5mm hook. You will want yarn. I'm using DK yarn. So that's double knit yarn, and you want, without bringing all the thread out, scissors, and you'll need your sewing needles. So let's get started, shall we? We're going to start by chaining 12. So wrap your yarn around your fingers twice, put your hook under the first loop, hook the second loop and pull through. And we have our slip knot, and we're going to chain 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, in the second chain from the hook, so not this one, the next one, we're going to work 1 single crochet. So here we go. 1. Then we're going to work single crochet in each, so we should have 11 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So there we have 11 single crochet. And now we're going to chain 1, and now we're going to turn our work. We're going to do a single crochet decrease. So we're going to insert to the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, insert into the second stitch, yarn over and pull through. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops, and we're going to work a single crochet in the next 7 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And we're going to do another single crochet decrease. So the end, like we did before. There we go. Next up, we are going to be doing another chain 1. We are going to decrease again in the first stitch, and then we're going to do single crochet in the next 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and single crochet decrease again. Chain 1, turn, and we're going to single crochet in each. So no changes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now, again, chain 1, single crochet decrease again in the first stitch, then single crochet in the next 3, 1, 2, and 3, and then we're going to decrease again. Yep, chain 1, turn, single crochet decrease, 1, single crochet, and then single crochet decrease. There we go. Now we're going to work 5 single crochet down this side. Okay, so we're not going to chain 1 this time, we're just going to carry on round. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to continue round again, and we're going to work 11 single crochet in this side. This is our edging. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There we go. And now we're going to work 5 more on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And again, we're going to just work 3 into this one, and that's us finished. So 1, 2, 3. I know it doesn't look much like a mushroom at the moment, but it will. It'll look very cute. So we're going to cut our yarn and pull through. Ta-da! That's your mushroom top. Next, we'll work on the stem. So for the stem, you'll want your other colour. I'm using white. I have a lot of white to use up, to be fair. And we are going to attach the yarn to the 5th single crochet on this row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And insert your hook, loop, yarn over, pull through, and then slip stitch. And what we're going to do is we're going to work 2 single crochet in this stitch, 1, 2, and then we're going to work 1 single crochet in this stitch, so we have 3. There we are. Now we are going to chain 1, and for the next 3 rounds we're going to just work 3 single crochet on each row. So 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. So that's our first round. 1, 2, and 3. Second round. So we want 1 more round of 3. Chain 1, 1, 2, and 3. And then next we chain 1, turn your work. We're going to do single crochet 2 in each stitch. So we're going to go 1 single crochet, another single crochet into the same stitch. So that's 2. We're going to do the same again in the next one. 3, 4, and again in the last one, 5 and 6. And then it's chain 1 and single crochet in front loop only, so that's the loop facing you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And I can get it in. And ta-da, you have your little mushroom. So now we're going to cut our yarn and pull through. Ow. And now we're just going to do the edging of our little mushroom. So we're going to get our yarn again. Loop it through like we did before, but at the beginning, in the side of the first stitch. And we're going to chain 1. Then into the next one, we're going to be working single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we're going to work into these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the last side stitch here, we're just going to work a slip stitch. Right. Again, cut yarn and pull through. So there we are. We have it, our little cute little mushroom. And then you just sew on the spots and you're done. So there you have it, your little mushroom. So I'm sewing on little crosses because that goes with what I'm working on at the moment, a little pattern design. If you want a sneak peek of that pattern design, you can join me on Patreon or Kofi, where I am sharing with my members all the different designs I've got in the works at the moment. And you also get sneak peeks as to what tutorial will be coming next. And don't forget to join me on Instagram, Facebook. I do have a Facebook page, but I'm always forgetting it exists. And TikTok. And finally, if you enjoyed this video, press that like button and subscribe for more, because there is a whole load more tutorials to come, from basic stitches to patterns like these.